Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English First School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class nursery. Okay, so let's start. Our today's topic is write in words. Okay, it's part 2. In the part 1 we have learned from writing number from 51 to 60. We will learn today from 61 to 70. Our lecture number is 7 and your homework number is 7 today, okay, for the annual term examination. Now my dear students, look at the board. Today we will learn write in words from 61 to 70. Okay, in the previous class already we have learned up to 60. Today the first number is 61. That means we already know what is the spelling of 60, and we also know the spelling of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first of all we need to identify the place value. There will be no mistake if we indicate the place value. This 1 is in 1's place and this 6 is in 10's place. This means that this number is 61. 61. So we know the spelling of 60 already, and we also know the spelling of 1 also. That means we can write down this one easily. The spelling of 60 is S-I-X-T-Y. 60. Then 1, it's O-N-E, 1. This number is 61. 61. After 61 the number comes which is 62, but it is 62. How we can identify? To identify this one, we need to identify the place value. This 2 is in 1's place and this 6 is in 10's place. So this number means that 6 and 2 makes 62. How? It's 6 10's and 2 1's makes 62. Okay, 62. So we know already the spelling of 60. So write down 60 at first. It's 62. So 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Then the spelling of 2, it's T-W-O-2, 62. So easy. Okay, and the next number, this 3 is in 1's place, this 6 is in 10's place. This means that this number is 63. We know the spelling of 63. How? We know the spelling of 60, S-I-X-6-T-Y, 60. Then the number 3, the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 63. This is the spelling of 63. After 63 the number comes which is 64. This 4 is in 1's place, this is 6 is in 10's place. This means then this number is 64. Okay, again 64. So write down the spelling of 60 at first. It's S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Then the spelling of 4 need to write down. It's F-O-U-R, 4. 64. Okay, 64. After 64 the number comes is 65. 6 and 5 makes the number 65, and 5 is in 1's place, this 6 is in 10's place. This means there's 65. My dear students, is 65. So the spelling of 60 we know that this S-I-X-T-Y, 60, and the spelling of 5 you know that very well. It's F-I-V-E, 5. So it's 65. 65. After 65 the number comes which is 66. Okay, these two 6's are there. It's 6 is in 1's place, in the right side 6, and the left side 6 is in 10's place. This means that it's 66. Okay, it's 66. So we write down 60 at first. The spelling of 60 is S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Then 6, it's S-I-X, 6. Okay, it's 66. Now the next number is 67. 7 is in 1's place, this 6 is in 10's place. My distance is 67. Okay, so write down 60 at first. It's I-X-6-T-Y, 60. Then 7, it's S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay, so it is 67. After that the number comes which is 68. This 8 is in 1's place, this 6 is in 10's place. So this number makes 6 and 8, it's 68. Okay, it's 68. So write down at first the spelling of 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Then we should write down the spelling of 8, It's EIGHT, 8. It's 68. After 68, the number comes which is 69. 9 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. That's the way it's 69. Again, it's 69. Okay. So, dear students, to write down 69, we write down at first the spelling of 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. After that, we should write down another spelling of 9, and you know that very well, the spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. Okay. After 69, the number comes is 7 and 0. Our last number is 70. Okay, this 0 is in ones place and this 7 is in tens place. This makes 70. This makes 70. Okay, so the spelling of 70 is the new one today. It's 70. The spelling of 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. S-E-V-E-N, 7, only added T-Y to write down the spelling of 70. So, dear students, look at the board very carefully. Up to 70, from 61 to 70, if we need to write down, we need to memorize the spelling of 60 and to memorize the spelling of 70. Then we can write down easily from 61 to 70, because we already know the spelling of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and that's the easiest way we can learn. My dear students, this is your CW work and this is also your HW work. That means your HW number is 7 today. This is your HW number 7. So please do your HW in your assigned HW copy, and please mention that HW number also in the left top corner of your copy. You can submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.